really now we're having the real breakout, the real trend, of breaking the 50 moving average at the same time with, BTC. And we're seeing how it's clear as day that honestly, BTC is that rising tide that raises all the ships because look at how everybody's chart looks extremely similar. Not picture perfect, right? That's why we always say that this is definitely not picture perfect compared to how BTC was moving. But whether or not it was in a downtrend with BTC, that was not a question. Whether or not BTC is above the 50 moving average and we have ourselves a nice little uptrend and it's actually following that over here, that is not the question. BNB is actually following. Oh, I said Solana. I meant to say BNB. BNB had these movements, but right here, this is the point of control for BNB. This is $628, and it is following it, right? BTC or BNB did have a mind of its own when the markets were going down. There was moments where it did this and it did that, and Solana kind of did as well. But at the end of the day, it was still following a downtrend, right? This 50 moving average was still technically in a downtrend. Even with those spikes, it was still a downtrend. Now we should be happy because we are trading above this 50 moving average, which most likely will fill this gap, will come to this point of control. $634 or the upper value range up here at 705, which will make every BNB play, your Captain BNB, your XPX, your FEG token, and everything that you hold on the BNB chain go a lot higher. And that's all in the pipeline, everybody. That is all in the pipeline, everybody. And I want you guys to check this out. I want you guys to be able to see what we got going on. And let's go to Solana next. I thought we were doing Solana for a second, but hey, these charts, a lot of them have this kind of where they look very similar. And we still got Solana marked up right here. Here we go. We talked about it, everybody. It's right here happening right before your eyes. It's above the 50. How are we able to say this on every single one? There has to be something there for us to be like, wait a minute, why are we able to say this on every single one? What's going on with that? Why is there's this ability to continue to say, hey, there's something trading here and I need to keep an eye on it, right? So to me, it's pretty interesting. That's what we have. And basically that uptrend is ready. We have the hottest market right now on our sides. The downtrend is over. I think that was that first correction. And this first value range is 600 or $160. The next area that Solana will go up to is 236, and everybody's going to be mad if you paper handed it. It's going to come back, everybody. So that is Solana's price prediction. It will go up to 160 first and then come up to the point of control